Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Gabe, and today we're going to be showing you guys like a behind the scenes almost of what it's like to check into an event, go through tech. We were at GRIDLIFE Laguna Seca about 3 weeks ago. The event was amazing, guys. Probably the best one of the year. I mean, it's got to be really close between Super Lap Battle and GRIDLIFE Laguna Seca at this point. I'm hoping they come back next year because that was just amazing. There was so much stuff going on, and it was impossible not to have fun. Yeah, this video is going to be a behind the scenes of what it's like to check into an event, go through tech, pretty much the stuff that nobody really shows too much. So you guys will see all of that, and hopefully you enjoy that. But next week we'll actually put out the actual competition day videos, and in between you'll get the hot laps, the hot lap that won, track mod, the hot lap that got us 3rd overall with Jason's LMP and 2nd in class, and then we'll also put out some action shots that we got of the cars, not only ours but other cars that we were really interested in and thought would make for good content, like Robin Shoots Wolf, I think it was Wolf or Norma, can't remember what exactly they're called, but that thing is insane the way it was moving on camera. You guys got to see it for yourself to believe it. So we'll be putting out that as well for you guys to check that out. But hopefully you guys enjoy. Talk to y'all soon. Later.
I'll use the additional for Akshay start.
Okay, I'll give mine to Cody then.
Alright, sounds good then.
Okay, alright, bye.
Later.
Hey, how's it going?
You were to scan in today?
Yeah.
Alrighty, just making sure. Are you camping today as well?
No.
Alrighty. So just go to that GRIDLIFE tent. You could either go either lane, whichever is quickest for you.
Okay. Probably right.
Just
yeah.
show them your creds, and then they'll tell you where to go and give you your wristbands.
Cool, thank you.
Maybe she went to say
All right.
stay in your car.
So that's for you. Let's go on pit lane, and you want to have Jason do like the entry, like, hey, we're here at Laguna Seca GRIDLIFE. Because there's a lot of people here. I feel like we'd be able to camera shot.
My name is Jason Chip.
No, I'm saying take the cars to pit lane and do it. Oh, okay. Yeah, when we're done? Yeah. Okay. You fucking move.
I was interested to know what you thought compared to the Ram. So one of my friends was like, you should have gone a Ram instead.
So James usually tows with the Ram, but he towed with Jason's F450.
450. Yeah.
How'd he do? Come on.
I think it was.
Speak up, speak up. We can't hear you.
It's tail happy. No,
Tail
it's
happy?
tail happy.
With the trailer?
So the trailer's high profile, so it catches the wind and it gets a wag.
Well, didn't it do that with the Ram?
It did it with the Ram, but it was more severe with this. Like I'd be going slower, like 55, 65, and then cars would blow by at 80, and it would take the trailer with it, like in a weird way.
The hitch height needs to be lower.
It's possible, but I don't really.
Tongue weight.
Maybe. I was wondering if it was the way I levered it, but it was inconsistent. It was like back and forth. I feel like the Ram is still a little bit better.
I heard a lot of people say it's because of the tires.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe.
The Continentals that comes.
We should find out what the other guys have on theirs, because Kaki's bringing the Ford.
Do you need a seat underneath the hood? Because I got to take the pins off, or just want to end up under it covered?
Got it.
Yeah, love you guys. Thank you.
What's up, Jay?
This car's clapped out. It's not gonna pass.
No, I ain't passing, bro.
What is this, smog check?
Yeah, yeah. What'd you say?
Smog check?
Small check.
Smog
Yeah.
check.
Stand up, buddy.
Yeah, for sure.
Should we filming already?
Should we pop the clam?
wasted a mass.
Sweet.
That's your car, like throwing cars.
Yeah, so everything looks good. Only thing I'm gonna get you on is the driver's floor mat. Sweet. Perfect.
Also, the tech form, you use that too?
Yes. Perfect.
That's it? Just gotta make sure no one sneaks up on us while we're talking.
Need to know. It's need to know.
This is auction. Oh, Jay, this is auction. How are you? Good. Cody, have you met auction yet?
I've met it before. Yeah. See you again.
James, you met a brief yeah, Jason.
I'm just right now.
We go way back. Trey fucking knows everybody.
We're all set.
Yep, cool. Alright, tail hook on the front. That is the biggest brake pad I've ever seen. That is an inch thick brake pad.
How many times have we ever changed it?
Hopefully none. Is there any way to pop it, to open it up?
Yeah.
Is this just coolant? This coolant through here? Okay, can you put that up there? Okay. Yeah, we'll zip tie right here. You good? Doesn't seem like it's doing much. Yeah, down here. That's this little thing. Okay. Okay. So much shit. I love it.
Yeah, don't go on the door.
No, yes, no.
Oh, for sure. Like that's the connect for the pump out.
How much I can really tell you? Yeah. You know, a bunch of people. Smart, work up the speed. Nothing I see wrong with it. You got something in tech form. What class are you running this in? Super Unlimited. Alright, I'll be right back.
Rotate it for you.
Go around. Look at this.
Jason, let's go down.
Where do you put it on here? Where do you want it?